Hello everyone and welcome back to Ajayasthomani Guru, your trusted source for advanced commodity analysis. I am Ria and today we are analyzing the latest data shifts in the global metals market that could define the price trends for the coming weeks. Starting with the global zinc market, the latest figures from the International Lead and Zinc Study Group indicate a subtle shift in the market balance. During the month of October, the global zinc deficit narrowed to 600 metric tons, down from the 1,000-ton deficit recorded in September. While this suggests a slight tightening in the short term, the broader picture for 2025 tells a much different story. On a year-to-date basis, the market remains in a significant surplus of 76,000 tons. This is a dramatic increase when compared to the marginal surplus of just 1,000 tons we saw during the same 10-month period last year. This change is driven by a steady climb in production, with global mine output rising to 10.51 million tons so far this year. Turning our attention to the aluminium sector, China has reported a notable 14% decline in imports for November, ending a 5-month streak of annual growth. This slowdown to 240,000 tons reflects a softening in year-end demand across key sectors like construction, transportation, and packaging. Furthermore, unfavorable import price spreads have made overseas metal less attractive. However, even as finished metal imports slowed, the demand for raw materials remained incredibly robust. China's bauxite imports surged by nearly 23% in November, reaching 15.11 million tons. In the copper market, we are seeing a strong resurgence in activity. China's refined copper production recorded a sharp rebound in November, snapping a 2-month decline. Output rose nearly 12% year-on-year to reach 1.24 million tons, reflecting much higher operating rates at major smelters. This growth wasn't limited to copper alone, as the National Bureau of Statistics reported broad-based gains across the industrial complex, with lead and zinc output also seeing significant year-on-year increases in the coming month. We expect to see a significant move in the prices of zinc, aluminium, and copper. The big question remains, will this be a bullish rally or a bearish trend? For an advanced analysis and strategic market insights, please feel free to contact us. Our contact details are available on the screen and in the description box below. Thank you for watching Ajayasthomani Guru. Stay tuned for more expert updates.
सोनाक्षी की रसोई में आज की स्पेशल गेस्ट है मौसमी चैटर्जी जी।
ये जी नहीं, मौसमी आंटी।
ओके आंटी मौसमी, तो आज आप क्या बनाएंगी?
मैं क्यों बनाऊं? मैं तो गेस्ट हूँ। आप बनाओ, हम खाएंगे। एक्टिंग में तो हिट हो। अब खाना बनाओ सुपर हिट।
ठाट से बनाऊंगी खाना, है ना द बेस्ट एवरीडे मसाला। आओ बनाते हैं मसालेदार छोले।
छोले
हर रोज के करी में एवरीडे मसाले, शाही बिरयानी में स्वाद का जायका।
पटल पोस्तो और शोषे इलिश भापा। साफ मसाले, खुशबू और प्योर झांझ, टेस्ट से भर दे हर जुबान पे स्वाद।
एवरीडे मसाले, देश का स्वाद।